Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My teachers, my teacher, and my class fellows, I hope you are well. I am also well. Alhamdulillah. Today, the topic of my presentation, which was assigned to me, was that what is a soft skills and what is the teamwork actually. I am Naimur Rahman. My registration number is 19 NTU TE 0142. So let we move toward the content of my presentation, which was which is which will be the description, in which I will explain the topic reasoning why I choose this reasoning, solution, teamwork, and importance of teamwork, how to improve teamwork, and soft skills, hard skills, and importance of soft skills today. So let we move towards our first course content of our of my presentation, description. Why I choose this topic today? Uh, as we all know that we are a student of NTU, and after our education, completion of our education, we will join the meals, and where the teamwork is very important. And for this reason, I choose the topic what exactly is teamwork, and why soft skills are more important than hard skills nowadays. Downfall in industries also to take to lack of teamwork and soft skills. Reasoning why this issue is very critical in our society. Downfall of our industries, in fact, the downfall of our economy of the country. So the soft skills are very important in a teamwork. If there are no soft skills, the members attached to the team will suffer badly, and they are directly attached with the industries, and industries are contributing in the country economy. So the our country economy affected if the teamwork and industry affected.
As we know that is a very critical issue that कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अगर एम्प्लॉय में नहीं होती तो ये कंट्री का इनडायरेक्टली डाउनफॉल है कंट्री की इकोनॉमी का. As per that, Mill's downfall connected to the country's economy downfall. Solution. So what is the solution of this? As that soft skills are very important than hard skills, we should not ignore it and not even play a rational role in them. We should always sincere to our profession. We should cooperate our team wholeheartedly. So let me move toward other presentation content. Teamwork. What is teamwork? Now, actually, the teamwork is the process of working collaboratively with a group of people in order to achieve a goal. Teamwork means that people will try to cooperate using their individual skills and providing construction feedback, deposit any personal conflict between individuals. It is the definition of teamwork from the business dictionary. Teamwork. See, a very interesting abbreviation of team. Team. Together, everyone achieve more. Teamwork, in simple words, is a cooperative process that allows ordinary people to achieve extraordinary results. J. Scott Conte. This is a definition from J. Sconti.
Let me see a video of excellence. This is a teamwork. Everyone is doing his own job. No one is interfering in others' work. And watch again in slow motion. This rule in teamwork: do not interfere in others' job, do your work perfectly.
Importance of teamwork: increase efficiency. Teamwork increase the efficiency of the employees, of the work, of the results, complement each other's strength and innovation through the constructive conflicts and less implied turnover. Workforce flexibility. That's the importance of teamwork. How to improve the teamwork? How we can improve the teamwork? Here are 6 key attributes of successful teamwork. Commitment to the team success. All the members of the team should commitment to the success of a team, the whole success of loss of a team, not the loss of even a single person's loss. Loss of a team is a interdependence, meaning the loss of the team are the loss of the whole team, not a single person's loss. Interdependence, interpersonal skills, open communication. There should be open communication to improve the teamwork. Appreciate teamwork, appropriate teamwork. There should be appropriate teamwork, means employees do their work as they have mentioned their work. Commitment to the team leadership and accountability. इसका मतलब है कि जो एम्प्लॉयज है, अगर उससे कोई गलती हो जाती है तो उसे फिर तैयार रहना चाहिए कि अकाउंटेबिलिटी फेस करने के लिए. सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. सो लेट वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. What are the soft skills? Soft skills are the personal attributes that influence how well you can work or interact with others. These skills make it easier to form a relationship with people, create trust and dependently and lead team. Soft skills, in simple words, that require people express ideas or to interact with your peers. For example, leadership skills, presentation skills, teamwork, work and ethics. Needs the soft skills. Hard skills. What are the hard skills? We have already now the what are the soft skills, and let we move towards now. What are the hard skills? The skills that require you to get the things done. For example, if you are a computer scientist, your IT knowledge such a programming and coding are your hard skill. You are a computer operator, your coding, programming is your hard skills. You are a footballer, you are playing football is your hard skill. You are a iron cutter, your hard skill is a iron cutting. That's our hard skills. Importance of soft skills. What are the importance of soft skills? Nowadays, soft skills are more important for the attraction of new client. Soft skills have to improve leadership. Strong communication skills are needed today for attracting the new customers. Soft skills are hard skills to automate. Here I am mentioning a very important note to the soft skills. If you have the soft skills, अगर आप में soft skills हैं तो आप hard skills सीख सकते हैं उनसे. अगर आप में soft skills नहीं है, hard skills है, आप hard skills की मदद से soft skills नहीं सीख सकते. That's the much important thing which I have noted. Importance of soft skills. The World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report suggests that by 2020, complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management and emotional intelligence would be among the most important skills required in the workplace. There are essential success at workplace, your company's success and your personal success, personal life. Interaction with other people requires some level of soft skills. Here are most in demand soft skills: communication, creativity, organization, teamwork, critical thinking, social skills, and interpersonal communication adaptability. Thanks for watching.